everyone, welcome to another video with me, Lewis here, and just for a change I'm on the beach here in North Berwick just now. It's walking around me as well, and decided to go for a wee walk along here since I was in North Berwick, just having a little walk. And yeah, it's nice to be on here as well. I mean, you can see there is quite nice as well. And yeah, I'm just going to take her away to the end of where the golf course is, maybe stop there for a bit and then head on home after. But yeah, let's enjoy our beach walk here in North Berwick. Some people are wondering why I'm walking on the sand today. Well, for some reason, right, I prefer to walk on the sand because it's much more easier as well. But sometimes, when I was younger, I hated walking on the sand because I hated getting some in my shoe, which was really horrible as well. But at the end of the day, you know, the beach side's really good to look on, really good to walk on. But, you know, and it's just good to get a bit of fresh air you need as well. Which I've been out as well, and it's just good to be out, I would say. So gets very rockland here, I'm afraid, because there's a lot of rocks around here, but I tend to stick to the pathway because it's much more easier for me. Just on this way, that's what I do. And just keep my focus. Caught in this as well, loads of trees here as well. I thank God it hasn't rained yet, which is really fortunate. But just giving the fresh air I need. I'm just crawling here as normal and just walking. But fortunately, there's no such thing as normal. Just get to get myself and just the best thing what I can do. Also, for other people, please subscribe my channel, please like it as well, and for videos as well. Unfortunately, the weather's now changing because now it's starting to rain outside, which is a bit horrible. But it's only rain, so it won't really kill me. So, we're just going on this way, and that will take us along to where we're going. So it's a good walk for me to do outside since I've got nothing else to do. And it's just good to get my hair, my head cleared and stuff, and just basically it's just a good place to chill and just think about stuff as well, which is good. I like what beaches are for. So, because I've seen tons of movies that've got like beach scenes as well, and it's just really good to admire that, and just that's why I love it. That's why. So. And now we're just going to head on to where we're going now, and I'll see you when we arrive at the bridge at the end of the beach bit. Approaching the bridge right now. Calling this Invisible Bridge. So we've got the river that's down here, which is good for the golf course. And then we've got the beach that's outside as well. And we've got another bit of golf courses there. Pretty good view just to look at through things as well. So guys, just finished at the bridge bit that was just there. It was good just to explore as well. And now we're on the golf course here just a bit as well. but this is like the path. This is like the pathway that now. It's there. And yeah, so I'm just going to walk along this bit for a wee change, for going back and stuff, since I've got something to do. And then possibly after, we're just going to probably get ourselves back to where we were before, and North Berwick, and just basically explore. So now we're going to walk on the golf course for a while, and I'll see you when I'm at the end of the path here. It's very windy on here, gee whiz. So guys, now just peering at the woodway that's just here, as you can see it right now. And now we're just going to go through this way, going out of the golf course. And unfortunately now, it is absolutely peeing here. But, you know, doesn't bother me, a little shower. But, you know, at the end of the day, you know, I'm just doing my own thing. I'm just doing with my walk, which is good for me. And then we're going to head to the Marine Hotel as well after, and I'll see you when I get to the Marine Hotel. So we're heading to another golf course that's here. See it as well, horses down here. Someone left a cart there for some reason, I don't know why it's there for, some of a tractor or something. I think it was for the golf course and stuff, but yep. I mean, it's starting to spit a wee bit, but it's not really heavy now, so which is fine. It's going to take this halfway to where we're going, and then we'll do it from there. So guys, we're just at the end of the road here. That's just here. Walked on the golf course bit. It was nice to walk along. And now we're going to head on to the Marine Hotel, just at the entrance of it, and I'm going to. What we're going to do is walk on to Marine Hotel, and then I'm going to end the vlog here, there, which will be good as well. So, and I'll see you when I get to the Marine Hotel. Well, it's not raining for some reason, but let's keep going. So guys, just arrived at the Marine Hotel just there, and now just arrived now, and it was a good journey from where we were, from the beach bit and other bits around, and basically just look a bit of scenery and just explore what there was and stuff. Yeah, I'm happy with all the subscribers I've had as well, and all the good vlogs I've done as well, and basically just been around North Berwick as well and other places, and just enjoyed myself, which is the best thing to do. But yeah, I'm just going to end the vlog here, but so don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and drop a comment, put a comment section below as well. And for any guys, that is the biggest, oldest place in North Berwick, you know, Marine Hotel that's there, and it's the oldest one there. And if you guys want to put a comment down, you most can do, and I'll get back to you shortly as well. So everyone, hope you enjoy this video, and bye.
Through my tree, she rides the night next to me. She leads me through moonlight, only to burn me with the sun. She's taking my heart, but she doesn't know what she's done. Feel her breath in my face, her body close to me. Can't look in her eyes, she's out of my league. Just a fool to believe I have anything she needs. She's like the wind,